Hello and welcome back, dear students. In this session, we will discuss about oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, and reducing agent with tricks. So let us discuss about oxidation. The word oxidation is the made of oxy plus dation. Here, oxy means oxygen, and dation means addition. So, simple definition of oxidation is addition of oxygen. You have to learn simply the addition of oxygen with any elements is called oxidation. Okay, simple definition of oxidation will be addition of oxygen with any elements. Here you see that here is carbon and O2, and it makes CO2 the product. So carbon is combined with O2. So here will be the oxidation of carbon. This is the simple definition. But for the competition like NEET, JEE, I am telling you a trick. By this trick, you will always learn oxidation. Here the trick is halo. Okay, halo means here halo. H stand for hydrogen, E stand for electron, or L stand for losing. One L or not has no meaning, and O means oxidation. It means losing of hydrogen and losing of electron is called oxidation. You have to learn. Losing of hydrogen and electron is called oxidation. In previous I told that oxidation is the addition of oxygen. First definition is oxidation is the addition of oxygen, and the other definition are by this trick, this halo trick, hydrogen electron losing, oxidation. It means if any compound or group or elements, you say only elements, if any elements lose hydrogen or lose electron, okay, so it is called oxidation. Dear students, oxidation and reduction are opposite each other. It means that the definition of reduction will be just opposite to oxidation. Okay, so I am telling you what is reduction, oxidation, okay, and reduction. So oxidation means aid of oxygen and removal of hydrogen and electron, and it will be the opposite to reduction. Aid of oxygen here will be removal of oxygen. Here is the removal of hydrogen and electron. Here will be the addition of hydrogen and electron. Okay, and in oxidation always plus charge increase. In elements always plus charge will increase, but in reduction plus charge will be decrease. So you have to simply understand that oxidation is the addition of oxygen. Okay, and by trick, halo trick, you have to understand that halo means H means hydrogen, E means electron, L means losing, is called oxidation. It means hydrogen, electron losing. Yani if it means any elements losing hydrogen, so it is oxidation. If any elements losing electron, then it also is oxidation. And by the name of oxidation, the word oxidation means addition of oxygen. Oxidation, it is simple. So simple definition of oxygen will be hydrogen losing or removal of hydrogen or removal of electron is called oxidation. Okay, and just opposite it will be reduction. Simply there is also a trick to remember oxidation. Oxidation oil, it means oil. O means oxidation, I means is, और L means losing. Oil याद रखिएगा, oxidation is losing. What losing? It means simply electron. Okay, if you understand that losing of electron is oxidation, then this is the complete definition of oxidation. Okay, reduction, simply you have to learn ridge. It means reduction is gaining. What gaining? Electron gaining. Okay, so oxidation, adding of oxygen, removal of hydrogen and electron, and plus charge increase. How plus charge increase? I am just telling you. Here you see the example. Here is the sodium and it lose one electron. As you know that losing of electron is called oxidation. One electron is lost. Okay, here was zero charge or nil charge, but here is plus charge. Okay, so plus charge increased. When electron are removed, then plus charge are always increase. You have to understand that electron has negative charge. Okay, you can consider electron as a negative person. Okay, and negative person where goes? They spread negativity. Always spread negativity. Negative person, if come to me, they will be spread negativity to me. Okay, so electron always spread negativity. If electron are removed, then positivity will be increased. If electron are if electron gain by any elements, then negativity will be increased. It means negative charge will be increased, not negativity. Okay, negative charge will be increased. Negativity has other meaning. Okay, so you have to simply understand electron are like negative person. Okay, where they goes, electron goes, negative charge will be increased. If they removed, the positive charge will be increased. Here is the sodium and it lose one electron. It means electron are gone away from it. So each positive charge will be increased. So in oxidation, positive charge will be increased, and here in reduction it is just opposite. Positive charge will be decreased, or you can simply say here positive charge increase, here negative charge increase. Okay, the simple definition of oxidation and reduction you have understood. Now I am telling you what is oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Okay, students, in reaction always there is two elements, one goes to reduction and other goes to oxidation. That is why these reactions are known as redox reaction. Redox means reduction, reduction and oxidation. It means mutually one elements oxidize and other elements reduce in same reaction. Suppose that this is A and B, there are two elements and there is the reduction of A, okay, and oxidation of B, and it makes some product. Okay, here the reduction of A. So who does the reaction? Who does the reduction of A? It is done by B. It is done by B. Reduction done by B. It means B reduce A. That is why reduction done by B. So B will be the reduction agent or reducing agent. Okay, understood? A plus B makes product. A an elements and B also an elements. A reduce, then who reduce? It is not reduced by self, it is reduced by this one. So this is the agent. What type of agent? Reduction agent. And simply suppose that A and B make product and B oxidize. So who oxidize? It is oxidized by A. So A is the oxidation agent or oxidizing agent. Okay, that is why these reactions are known as redox reaction, because one element is reduced, then other is oxidized. One is reduced by the other and other is oxidized by other. ठीक है ना? A and B. If A is reduced, it is reduced by B. So A is not reducing agent because it is reduced and by reduced by the B. That is B the reducing agent. And if B is the oxidized, so it is oxidized by A. So it is the A will be the oxidizing agent. It means the definition of oxidation is the definition of reducing agent. Where oxidation happens, the compound which is oxidized is reducing agent, just opposite, and the compound we reduced is oxidizing agent. Okay, so here as you see, saying that oxidation means by definition oxidation, addition of oxygen, a bitrick halotrick, removal of hydrogen electron. Okay, one electron removed plus charge will be increased, and oxidation, okay, is the definition. What the definition of oxidation is? The definition of reducing agent also, and oxidation is just opposite to reducing agent, reduction. Then you have to learn only the definition of oxidation. You have not to learn a reduction, or otherwise you will be confused. Then I repeat again, oxidation. What is oxidation? Oxidation, oxygen addition, removal of HNE and plus charge increase. Okay, and the definition of oxidation is same to definition of reducing agent. Okay, and oxidation you can simply learn oil means oxidation is losing, reduction by reduction is gaining. What gaining? Electron gaining. If you learn this definition only, then whole definition will be always learn, recall. Okay, I am giving some example to you to understand that. Here you see the first example. Cu plus 2Ag gives Cu double plus and Ag. Here Cu becomes Cu double plus charge increased. It means negative part are removed. What is negative part here? Electrons. It means here happens removal of electron. Positive charge will be increased. It means negative person are increase, negative person are go away. So negative person, it means electron go. So here is the removal of electron, and by definition, by trick, you know that the trick of halotrick, removal of electron is called oxidation. So from Cu to Cu plus, Cu double plus, here Cu is the oxidized, okay, and Ag plus, here is the plus charge and here is no charge. It means plus charge is decrease, positive charge decrease. It means positive charge decrease. It means negative person have came, negative electron have came. It means it gain electron, a gaining of electron, just opposite to reduction. So it means it just means gaining of electron, just opposite to oxidation. So it is oxidation and this is the reduction because it gain electron. By trick is, you know that reduction is gaining क्या? What? Electron. Okay. So Cu Cu is oxidized and Ag plus reduced. And as you know that it oxidized. So who oxidized? It oxidized. It oxidized by this one. So this is the oxidizing agent. This is the oxidation. And oxidation happened due to this agent. So this is the oxidizing agent. Okay, this is the oxidation. This is oxidation. This is oxidation. And it is done by Ag. So Ag is the oxidizing agent. Now Ag gain electron. So this is the Ag gain electron. So this is the reduction. This is the reduction, and this is the reduction. This is the reduction. So reduction done by this one, this Cu. So Cu is the reducing agent. Cu is the reducing agent. Okay. The next example. I am telling the next example. Here 2Na plus 2H2O, 2NaOH plus H2. Okay. Here you see simple this one 2H2O. Okay. Here is H2 and O, but here is no O. It means loss of electron. Loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen. Oxidation is the gain of oxygen. So it is not oxidation, because loss of oxygen. So this is the reduction. Okay, this is the reduction. So this is the reducing agent. This is not reducing agent because it will not reduce by itself. It will reduce by other elements, other compound. So this is the reducing agent. And other way, here is 2Na, Na only, no charge, nil charge, zero charge, but here is charge plus 1, charge plus 1. Here 0 charge, plus charge increased. So negative came or gone. Negative gone. It means what negative? Negative person gone. It means negative person means electron gone. So electron gone, it means electron gone. So oxidation. So this is the oxidation and this is the reduction. And oxidation is done by this compound because it not oxidized itself. So this is the oxidizing agent. 2H2 is the oxidizing agent and this is the reducing agent. In other example, you see Fe double plus Cr2O7, Fe triple plus and Cr plus. Here Fe has double plus. Okay. Here Fe has double plus. Okay, and charge becomes plus 3 here. Here is plus 2 and here is plus 3. It means charge increase, plus charge increase. Negative gone. It means electron gone. It means electron gone. So electron gone, it means this is the oxidation. Okay, and if this is oxidized, then this will be reduced. This is the reduction. This is the oxidation and this is the reduction. Okay, Cr2O7. And in other way, here is O and here is no. Here is 7O, here is no. It means removal of oxygen. A removal of oxygen, this is not oxidation. So this is the reduction. Dear student, I hope you have understood what I discussed today. If this video was helpful in your study, so please like, comments and share and subscribe our channel. And if you want to online support from us, the contact details are given in the description of video.